How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about whether you guys can play Palworld on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as everyone knows and is probably aware about, Palworld, hot new game right now. It's an open world survival RPG where it's very Pokemon-esque and you tame, capture creatures. So it's a bit of a mix of Ark, Rust, and Pokemon, which I think is pretty cool. Also Minecraft. Now, this begs the question, is it available on the PlayStation platform, or PS5 or PS4? Now, to answer your guys' question, it currently is not. And just to show you guys what I mean, if you check any gaming journalist's article online, you'll see that what the developer had in mind, Mr. Shuhei Yoshida, said that Palworld will only be available for PC. So if you're in PC, then you can obviously get it on Steam, as well as the Xbox Game Pass, or if you guys are on the Xbox Series X or Xbox One. Now, as for the PlayStation or Switch ports, they did mention that the Switch port will have Palworld available somewhere down the line. But as for PS5, if you read here, Palworld developers have confirmed in their Steam Q&A that they do not have plans for a PlayStation port as of now. So keywords as of now. So somewhere down the line, they may add a PlayStation port as the game has really exploded in the past couple of weeks. So for sure, a PlayStation 5 port is very likely. So hopefully that answers your guys' question. And if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.